Hi everyone, this is Saminzi, your own beading channel, somycrafty. I'm here with a new beading tutorial of an elegant crystal beaded earrings. I made these earrings with using fancy buttons, crystal buttons. As you can see on your screen, we have used very beautiful light green color fancy buttons in these earrings making. It's a very good idea to use fancy buttons in jewelry making. Now I will show you materials we need for these earrings making. Gold Rondelle Beads 3 mm and copper Rondelle Beads 4 mm. Olive green Rondelle 3 mm. Gold seed bead 8/0. Teal green crystal Rondelle beads 3 mm. Emerald color fancy buttons 6 mm. 2 buttons. 1 pair ear wire, beading needle 11 number and fishing line 0.50. Now we have to start our earrings making. Here is the look of our today's tutorial earrings. We have picked one copper rondelle 4 mm, one 3 mm rondelle, one 4 mm rondelle and one seed bead. We tied 2 times knots and now we have picked one rondelle 3 mm, one 4 mm and one seed bead, and we passed through previous 4 mm, and now we will add 3 beads again, one seed bead, one 4 mm and one 3 mm, and now continue the same pattern and same beads. And in this way we have added 4 mm rondelle, 8 4 mm rondelles, and now we will join both ends of these beads, adding one 3 mm rondelle, and now we are adding on other side one seed bead 8/0. In this way this round, first round, is completed, and now you can count it. 4 mm rondelles are 8 rondelles. Now we pass through one rondelle 4 mm. Our thread is coming out from one rondelle, and here we have to add one 3 mm bead fancy button. We have passed from fancy buttons hole, and then one 3 mm crystal bead, rondelle bead. We will add this button with 2 crystal beads in the middle of our beaded part. We are now passing from one 4 mm rondelle of previous round. In this way we have added fancy button in the middle of this beaded part. Now we have to add one seed bead 8/0, one 4 mm bead and one seed bead, and we pass through previous rounds 3 mm bead. Now again one seed bead, one 4 mm and one seed bead. We have to add 4 times one seed bead, one 4 mm, one seed bead. We will add same beads 4 times, passing through 3 mm Rondelle beads of previous round. Now we will add 3 mm gold Rondelle bead 4 times, passing through 3 mm Rondelle beads of previous round. We are adding gold Rondelle bead 3 mm 4 times. We will add it, and now passing through 3 mm bead and 1 seed bead. Here we have to pass through this 4 mm rondelle, and then here we have to add 3 rondelle beads 3 mm, 1 teal green, 1 olive green and 1 teal green. Now we have to add 1 teal green 3 mm, 1 copper 4 mm and 1 teal green. Now again we have to add 1 teal green, 1 olive green and 1 teal green. And in this way, as you can see on your screens, we have added the rondelles 3 mm. In this way we completed this round, and now we have to add ear wire, 3 seed beads A2 ear wire and 3 seed bead A2. Total 6 seed beads with ear wire we have added here, and now we have to reinforce these beads with ear wire. And now the last step, we are making finishing knots, and after making 2 or 3 times finishing knots, we will cut off the main thread, and we have now completed our today's earrings. Very pretty, very fresh colors. You can see on your screens buttons, fancy buttons, jewelry, very pretty. We can use our fancy buttons making in this way. I hope you would try to make these earrings with buttons with Rondelle crystal beads of your choice colors. Here are final looks of today's tutorial, today's earrings. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share your channel somycrafty. Thanks for watching. I will say bye now. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.